Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Greetings. Alishama here. How are you people? I hope you are staying happy, healthy and safe. Welcome to my room and welcome to more RC charger reviews. Today in this video I'm going to unbox and give you a detailed video review of all new SkyRC D200 Neo ACDC dual port multifunction smart charger. Now this is going to be a detailed video about the D200 Neo. I have a lot to cover and show you about this charger, so stay with me in this video. Let's take a closer look at the D200 Neo charger. To me, I would say I'm pretty satisfied with the build quality. Everything is plastic, nicely and neatly done. But personally, I think it would have been better if they used machined CNC outside shell, which can also serve as a nice heat sink because metal keeps cool. Now, this charger is running ARM Cortex M4 MCU that works together with a hyper boost algorithm to provide you a very efficient battery charging and a smart power distribution. I will talk about the smart distribution of this charger, so stay with me. At the back, you can see on the charger, we have an exhaust fan unit, we have a DC in 10 to 30 volt power, and we also have a very smart AC 100 to 240 volt AC power port right here, so you can input this charger with this supplied cable right here, and you don't have to worry about which country you are in. Some countries are using 110 volts, some countries use 220 volt, so it will automatically detect and work with your AC power supply according to 100 and 240 volt, and you can in the field power this with the DC power from 10 to 30 volt outdoors and charge your batteries. Now with the AC power, the charger will provide you up to 200 watt of power, which is mentioned right here, and with the DC power it will supply up to 800 watt power for your charging. On the front you have dual output ports, okay, XT60 connectors and the balance ports, so you can charge two batteries at the same time, and you can provide up to 20 amp per port to charge your batteries. Now let's talk about the smart power distribution. That means if you're charging two batteries, for instance, your charger D200 Neo will automatically decide and distribute the power accordingly. And as soon as one battery finishes charges, it will automatically route full power to another port to efficiently charge your battery. And if you're charging only one battery, it will route whole power of your charger to this port where the battery is connected and charge your battery efficiently. So this is really very nice. Now, should you want to charge your battery very fast, you can use both ports to charge one battery only, and you can use up to 35 amp current to quickly charge your batteries. But make sure your batteries can actually take that much power, because you don't want to explode these bad boys in your house. Now next, it has a smart fan control to keep your charger cool while it's charging. At your right side you can see there's a PD 3.0 20 watt output on a USB-C port, so you can charge your device fast with this. Should you want to charge more devices at a very high power, like up to 100 watt, 20 watt, 20 watt and 18 watt, you need to have this PD charging hub PCH 150. Buy it separately from a SkyRC. You can connect it to your SkyRC D200 Neo and charge multiple smart devices at high power. You can also discharge your batteries up to 40A current, with up to 40A current, but you will have to use, you will have to order a BD350 discharger from a SkyRC and use it together with your D200 Neo. What's more, you have a battery analysis software that I will definitely install and take a look at it and show it to you. We also have a SkyRC app control the SkyCharger, so that you can use Bluetooth and control all the aspects of your charger right from your phone. But Don't be lazy when doing this. Stay in the same room, people, when you are charging batteries with this. Even if you're using Bluetooth and you think, oh, I can control my charger and look at the batteries, how they're doing using my app right here. No, 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 no. I would say stay, please, please, please stay in the same room when you're charging batteries and watch your charger and batteries. So once you power the charger on, you get this warning screen, which once again clearly says, never use the charger unsupervised. Okay, LiPo batteries pose a severe risk of fire, explosion, serious injuries, and probably damage if not properly, So yes, thank you very much SkyRC for that warning. Now you can see that it has a very nice user interface, color user interface, not like before where you used to have that old type bluish thingy. So now we have A and B port. With this button you can easily move to port A, port B, okay, and to both ports. We have a metal dial to control all the features of the charger. Press and hold for 3 seconds, you will come to system settings. We have task parameters, system setting, DC power, power for tire warmer, as I mentioned before, that you can use this charger as a digital power supply for powering other units and gadgets and devices. You can also charge your smart devices like smartphones, tablets, computers using power to PD hub, that PCH 150 power hub that I have shown you. We have battery meter, systems self-checking, factory settings, system info, system upgrade, and back. Now in task parameters you have safety timer, max capacity, trickle charge. I would say it comes off, but turn it on, because this is a feature that keeps your battery fully charged on all cells. All the cells of the batteries will be kept fully charged, because what this feature does is it provides a constant low current after battery has finished charging to keep the batteries and each of its cell to full power, because naturally these batteries chemically they will start discharging. As soon as you disconnect from the charger, they will start discharging on each cell. And if you want the battery to be fully powered on each cell before you use it, like for example you're racing, you can keep it connected with the charger while the trickle charge is on, so it will constantly provide charge and balance all the cells and keep all the cells on full power. So when you are ready to race or ready to fly, you just disconnect and get a fully powered battery. So trickle charge is a feature you want to keep it on. Okay, so this is a very, very nice feature. And we have system settings where you have language. You have English, Chinese, Korean, Dutch, and French language, and more languages are coming soon as per SkyRC. Max input power 200 watt, minimum input voltage 11 volt. You can set these things all by yourself. LCD backlight, low, middle, or high. It depends what you want. Okay, I will just say on low, it does a very, very good job. It's very, very visible. Then we have volume, low, middle, or high. Kind of like very noisy, so just keep it low or turn off, it's all up to you. Then we have completion signal, repeat or once. I would say keep it repeat, so charger will keep reminding you your battery has been charged. If you turn on the trickle volt, trickle charge, and you don't want it to disturb you again and again, you can keep it on once. Up to you. USB port, which is at the right side here, you can keep it either on the auto, data, or charge. I would say just keep it auto, because as soon as you connect a device, it will automatically detect and start charging the device. Or if you need data, you connect it to the computer, it will automatically switch to data, and you can update the system settings or use the charger with the Charge Master app. After that, we have back. All right. Then we have a DC power. So you can set the voltage and current and then start, and it will turn into a digital power supply. Okay, it's up to you. There's good settings and good choices that you can do here for voltage and current. Okay, and then we have power for tire warmer, for PD hub, battery meter, etc., etc. Okay, so let me connect one battery. I believe I have just charged this battery because I have been doing some, experimentation. Okay, so now we'll come to the battery meter. Click. And it quickly tests the battery and shows me, I have a problem with the second cell and the sixth cell. That sucks, man. That's a nice new battery. Anyway, so see, you can easily see your battery if there's any problem or not. And of course, there's a lot more that data you can see and analyze using the Charge Master app on the computer or SkyCharger app on your phone. Okay, now I've connected a Li-HV battery, that is Goose Sky RS4 battery, 1800 milliamp 6 cell, and it's on port B. Okay, as you can see, it's 3.7 volt each cell. It's discharged already. So click once in the dial, and then you have balance battery type. Sorry, LiPo, LiLo, Li-Fi, Li-HV, Unmatched, NiCad, PB. Ooh, it can also charge lead acid battery. Nice. I can charge my motorcycle battery. It always goes down because I don't ride often. So yes, Li-HV 6 cell balanced charging. You can do charge, storage, discharge parallel. You can provide 2-port directly to single battery to charge it really fast. Charges very fast. So yes, you can use this charger and use the separately sold parallel charging cable, which comes from both ports, and you connect one battery balance here and connect the lead to the parallel charging cable, and you can charge this battery really fast in like 5 minutes using 30 amp. Okay, but anyway, 4.35 volt per cell, that's the end voltage. Charging current, the formula is very simple. If your battery is 1800 milliamp, set it to 1.8 amp. If it is 1500 milliamp, set it to 1.5 amp. If it is 5000 milliamp, yes, you're right, you can charge it at 5 amp easily. So I will keep it 1.8 amp. If you want to charge faster, doesn't matter. You can forget the formula for now, but that's a very good formula, remember. And say start. And there you go, it starts charging. It is just that easy to use this charger to start charging. Okay, one battery is done charging, that is on port B. I can see the charger has switched to port A automatically, and now, as I said, intelligent distribution of power, it's distributing whole power to port A. Port B, it's showing that now we have 4.35, 4.35, 4.35. Okay, as you can see, all cells are properly balanced. All right, now D200 Neo. I'm gonna discharge battery using BD350 connected to D200 Neo, and I'm gonna use the app to do so. So I've connected the app to the D200 Neo, and what I want to do is, like, you can basically just go and discharge directly from here, operation with the operation mode like balance charge, charge, discharge. But I find a good way is to do discharge and analyze. Okay, so let's say amp hour, we have Li-HV 6 cell. Okay, I want to discharge it at 10 amp right there, 10 amp, and the last voltage, cutoff voltage, is 3.5 volt per cell. So next, and now I have this graph right here. So I will click on new test, and it will give you a warning that before doing so, you must make sure all the parameters you have set right. I would say next. Okay, now you can see the discharger lights turn red. You can see the data right here on the screen as well. It start discharging, 4.2 volts left per cell, 4.19 going down, fan started right there. So now on the phone I can see all the data, the graph is being updated, live data is updating on the right side. Okay, and with this I can actually analyze the battery and find out everything about its health, benchmark the battery, and at the same time I'm discharging the battery. So this is really a very cool feature. Now you can do the same operations by connecting the charger to your computer and run the software, I believe that's Charge Master, on your computer, and you can do the same operation there, but I find it's really easy to do with the Bluetooth and connecting it to your phone right here, and see all the data right there on your phones. Okay, you can connect a USB-C on the right side of D200 Neo and then connect it to your phone so that you can charge it. To my phone, and right there my phone starts charging with up to 20 watt of output. Now because I have left this on auto, so as soon as I connect this to my computer, I will be able to use the SkyRC charger master right here on the PC, which says connect your charger to PC using the USB cable. One side I will connect to my computer, okay, and Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Another side to D200 Neo. So I hear the chimes from the windows, and right here I have the software charge master. As you can see on the screen right there, I'm just going to connect one of the battery. Now that I have connected the battery, I can use this to analyze the battery. So I say I have connected LiPo, and it's 4 cells, okay, current 1.5 amp, cutoff voltage this, okay, I will say new test. Before testing a battery, please check all test parameters with the manufacturer's rated specification. Testing a battery with improper parameters can damage a battery, or in severe cases cause fire. Let's hope it doesn't. I just started, okay, and just like the on the phone app, as I've shown you, it has started making a graph right here, as you can see, okay. Status is discharging, okay. You can also append the test, open, close, delete file, rename file, export your test data, print, save as, and save. Okay, so this is this. Now let's say I will stop, okay. This is just to show that what you can do with this, all right. So charger have stopped. Now how about we come to the charge? Port B, port A, I would say LiHV. Let's just stay with LiPo. 4 cells, balanced charge, current 1.5A, okay, say okay. Double check, 4 cell battery, check, balanced charge, check, current 1.5A, check, start. I hear the beep from the charger, and once again we have a nice data right here building up on the screen. So this is really nice. I mean, look at this. Right here you have your charger working, connected line to the PC right there, okay, and on the screen you have all the data of your battery charging, so you can basically sit here and monitor your battery properly. So you have here amp is red, voltage is blue, and a graph is being constructed right here for you. Okay, so I'm going to stop right here. I'm going to go to system, and you can see all those things that I have just shown you on the charger system settings is right here as well. And you can also do, you know, advanced options at the right side, and set all those parameters right from this charge master. So this is really very good right here, people. I would say battery analysis is one of the things that I really wanted to do, and with this I can easily find out if my batteries have problems or not. Okay, so it's searching charger. I'm gonna turn on the Bluetooth. Yeah, found the charger right here. Okay, click on it. There you go. So now it's showing that I'm charging a battery at the moment on channel A, and yes, here I can see, as you can see, I can see each and every cell, how it's doing. Then I have a charger temperature right here, duration that it has been charging, voltage, battery cells, battery type, current, how much current it's providing. Next I'm going to show you how to use the PCH 150, the power hub for your smart devices that offers 100 watt, 20 watt, 20 watt and 18 watt of power to your smart devices. Now this is PCH 150. You have to purchase it separately. It's a small device, that's why I don't want to do a separate video for this. I may do a short video later. It is very well built with a metal CNC case, lots of vents right here for it to keep cool. So what you need to do is first go to press and hold this button. okay, and say power for PD hub, okay. I will come back and you have to connect it on port B. What if I burn my phone right away by giving it 100 watt power? So I'm just gonna connect it to 100 watt, okay, and then plug my phone. Man, please don't burn it. This is my only phone right here. And there we go. 65%. Now it's getting 100 watt of power into it and it is charging. Please don't explode, okay? I wish I had something that I can show how the phone is charging fast, but right now I don't, so I can only do like turn the phone off and see. Oh, look at that, 66%. It's charging really fast now. From 65 to 66% on 100 watt is charging. So you can see the differences right there. It is charging very, very fast. You can connect up to 4 devices to this right here and charge your phones or other smart devices. Let me connect my old phone on 18 watt of charging. So right here we go. It's started charging. Okay, let me see. Yep, it's charging right here. And now if you take a look at the screen on the D200 Neo, you see I'm charging 2 devices, 19.87 volt, 1.5 amp current, and up to 30 watt is being consumed or provided right from here. Alright people, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope I have covered everything about D200 Neo, this charger right here. I believe this is really a new addition and very neat addition to the chargers right here from SkyRC. SkyRC has always offered very reliable and high quality chargers, and I'm very, very happy that this time they have these really feature-rich new smart chargers that you can connect to your computers and your smartphones, and you can get a whole lot of data about the life and health of your batteries as well while you charge, discharge, or store them and perform all these battery management tasks in your daily life. Still, if you believe I have left anything about this charger and its features, if you have any questions, any feedback, please feel free to comment on this video, and I will get back to you in time, inshallah. Give this video a big like as usual. Thank you very much for all your support. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that little bell icon once again and turn on all the notifications so you stay updated for all the upcoming uploads. Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy, just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.